Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Hasidic Rebbe Levi This week's Parsha is Parshas Pekudei. In Parshas Pekudei we read These are the accountings of the tabernacle of testimony, a klal. General ideas like this. There's a person who might perform the commandments of the Blessed Creator, but he might not be on the level that through the commandments he connects himself and has a relationship with the Blessed Creator, that through this relationship that the Blessed Creator should have pleasure from the Israelites, the Jewish people. But the truth is that a person needs to worship the Blessed Creator with this archetype and this level. So this is the meaning of these are the accountings of the tabernacle. The word Pekudei means it's a term of connection. That like a man has to have a relationship with his wife. It's also called code. The same like this, which is called an accounting. It's also an encounter, right? So these are the encounters of the tabernacle, that we encounter God through the relationship that we gain through the communion we have in the tabernacle. So a person has to perform commandments that for the purpose that through this he has a connection to the divine presence. The term Mishkan, which is tabernacle, is related to the word Shechina, the divine presence, because it's the tabernacle of the testimony. It's a lashon tainug, lashon adayadayim. But not only the word for testimony is also a term of pleasure, as we see in Ezekiel chapter 16, verse 7, the term adayadayim, which means pleasure, that through this the divine presence has pleasure from the commandments that the Jewish people, the Israelite nation, performs. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. And Almighty God, we should be worthy in the schus of the Hasidic Rebbe Levi to be worthy to this level of bringing pleasure to the divine presence, to bring pleasure to God through our devotions, through the commandments. God bless.